The world is witnessing the return of great power competition in military affairs. This competition is characterized by the rivalry between major powers for global influence and power. The United States, China, and Russia are the three main protagonists in this competition, with each country seeking to assert its dominance in various regions of the world. This resurgence of great power competition is being driven by a number of factors, including the rise of China, the resurgence of Russia, and the decline of American hegemony. These factors are creating a more complex and volatile international security environment, with the potential for increased conflict and rivalry. The United States. The United States remains the world's most powerful military, but its relative power has been declining. The U.S. is facing a number of challenges, including an aging infrastructure, a declining budget, and a changing global security landscape. The U.S. is also facing new threats, such as cyber warfare and terrorism. The U.S. military is adapting to the changing global security landscape by focusing on a number of key priorities, including maintaining a strong nuclear deterrent, modernizing its conventional forces, investing in new technologies, such as artificial intelligence and hypersonics, strengthening its alliances and partnerships. Russia. Russia is a resurgent military power, and it is seeking to regain its lost influence in the world. Russia has been modernizing its conventional forces, and it is also developing new weapon systems, such as hypersonic missiles. Russia's military ambitions are focused on Europe, where it is seeking to restore its sphere of influence. Russia is also developing a global military presence, and it is increasingly competing with the U.S. in other regions of the world. China. China is the world's second most powerful military, and its military power is growing rapidly. China has been investing heavily in its military modernization program, and it is now capable of fielding a wide range of modern weapons systems. China's military ambitions are focused on the Asia-Pacific region, where it is seeking to assert its dominance. China is also developing a global military presence, and it is increasingly competing with the U.S. in other regions of the world. The future of great power competition. The return of great power competition is a significant development that will have a profound impact on the future of international security. The competition between the U.S., China, and Russia is likely to intensify in the years to come, with the potential for increased conflict and rivalry. The future of great power competition will be shaped by a number of factors, including the relative power of the U.S., China, and Russia, the technological capabilities of each country, the political and economic stability of each country, the nature of the global security landscape. It is difficult to predict how the return of great power competition will play out, but it is clear that the competition is likely to have a significant impact on the world in the years to come. The return of great power competition is a complex and challenging issue, but it is also an important one to understand. The competition between the U.S., China, and Russia is likely to shape the future of international security, and it is important to be aware of the risks and potential consequences of this competition.